Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if Goodbudget works for both personal and family budgets. Goodbudget is a digital budgeting app that uses the envelope system. This method is all about giving every dollar a job. You create virtual envelopes for your spending categories, like groceries, rent, or entertainment, and then you fill those envelopes with your income. As you spend, you deduct the money from the corresponding envelope. For a personal budget, Goodbudget is excellent. You can easily set up your own envelopes, track your spending, and see exactly where your money is going. It helps you stay on top of your financial goals, whether that's saving for a new car or paying down debt. When it comes to family budgets, Goodbudget is also very effective. It has a key feature that allows you to sync and share a single household budget across multiple devices. This means you and your partner or other family members can all see the same budget in real time. When one person makes a purchase, they log it, and the other person sees the updated envelope balance. This eliminates miscommunication and helps everyone stay on the same page financially. The shared system makes it easy to track shared expenses and ensure you're both working towards the same financial goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.